right, sometimes you gotta use the torch. Let's turn this water on. I got all the spigots open so it can blow out any debris. Whoa, you gotta watch out though. So we got that one. Go ahead and turn them all on. We'll come back, check the leaks. There's one. I see another one. Uh-oh. What are you doing here? We need that. That's money. There's two. Damn. Looking so good. And they say plumbers don't run and get exercise. Come on, man. You got the wrong plumber. We got another one. Whew. Let's see. Bam. Looking good. Wow. Just take your finger and wipe it. If it was dry. Oh, we got one more running. Literally, we gotta run. Run! We're flushing out the system, so anytime you do soldering and things like that, you don't want to just turn the water back on. You'll find out all of a sudden something's not got pressure anymore, like a sink or a kitchen. Look at that. Nice bead of solder right there. See? That's how you know. You got it filled up. Nice and dry. Think he's gonna be happy or what?